What's the meaning of credible? Credible. Credible.
Credible. Credible. Credible means worthy of belief or trust. It refers to something or someone that is considered reliable and honest, and can be trusted to provide accurate information or perform as promised. Credibility is an important factor in many areas of life, including business, media, and personal relationships. A credible source is one that is trustworthy, dependable, and has a good reputation for accuracy and reliability. When assessing the credibility of a person or source, it is important to consider factors such as expertise, evidence, and consistency in their statements or actions.